What's the meaning of alcheringa? Alcheringa. 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 Alcheringa.
Alcheringa is a word from the language of the Arrernte people, indigenous to Central Australia. It refers to the dreamtime, the time of creation in Aboriginal mythology. According to their beliefs, during the alcheringa, ancestral beings emerged from the earth and sky to create the natural world and its inhabitants. The concept of alcheringa is deeply spiritual and holds great cultural significance for the Arrernte people, connecting them to their ancestors and the land. Today, it continues to be celebrated through art, dance, and storytelling as a reminder of their heritage and identity.